guys. How's the quality? Is it good for the front-facing camera? I got a new cover for my phone, and I can see clearly now that the smudges are gone. So yeah, I like it. This is what I wore today. You'll see that in the vlog for tomorrow. For what I did today. Don't look at my ears. You're not allowed to see that. Oh, don't look at that back either. Don't. So, I'll show you one thing now. I got this from Hot Topic. It was $5 and it's really pretty. And it has like something for like a cell phone thing. And it hooks onto my keys. I really like it. It's really cool. So yeah, that's all I'm going to show you. I'm going to wait for Jay to come over and then I'm going to show him what I got and then he's going to go to work. I'm so tired, guys. I hate driving so much. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.